who are very new to know about our activities under this forum, Global Entrepreneurs Guild. This is the aggregator platform where we wanted to connect with the entrepreneurs who wanted to aspirate well and who wanted to connect with the global entrepreneurs network, where we can able to tailor make many kind of aspects, especially for collaborative opportunities, joint venturing opportunities, training opportunities, or any programs we can able to join together to host for the people. Because there are people who are getting isolated, they cannot be able to uplift or upscale their business levels. They are very much requiring these kind of platforms and supports where they can able to find out the likelihood people who can able to support each other with mutual benefits or any kind of supports which are tailor making from the eminent personalities. We can invite more eminent personalities to come on stage with us, so we can get the tips or tools or any tactics, the ideologies, strategies which are going to make us very empowerment or powerful source to gear up with our business activities and the focus towards with the globalization. Because many people, they are good in their own respective places, but when they are coming out and go global, they don't have any correct strategies how to lift up, how to keep the trend sets to match with their ongoing process. So we are here to listen and embrace our learning behaviors, because learning agility is the good leadership quality. So all the entrepreneurs are leaders, but they need to give their time to listen and learn to empower. That is the way we have to aspirate. We are here to um, get the idea by sharing by the entrepreneurial minds who want to pitch their ideas with us about their business, about their problems, about their solutions, or any kind of support from our groups. So we welcome you all, and it is great time for us to share and care about ourselves. Thank you so much. Over to Rahul.
Yes, so today we will start with startups, means like entrepreneurs only, and we will like to listen their ideas, their business journey, and like how they came to this place, how they achieved their successes, anything about their business and even about them. So without wasting time, I will start with uh, Mrs. Haji Suresh. So that will be, means like I'm going with my list only. And
thank you, Mr. Rahul. Good evening, everyone. I want to thank Mrs. Nagu and Dr. Ram for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my entrepreneur journey so far with the audience here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Haji. I have been a freelance beautician for the past 4 years. Although I was from an engineering background, I realized that my fashion was elsewhere. From a very young age, I was fond of following the latest trend in fashion and beauty. Looking beautiful me a sense of pride and confidence. At the same time, I had a strong desire to be a successful independent businesswoman. So in 2016, I decided to launch my career in the beauty field by taking up a course with June Beauty School Private Limited. The school was known to be a pioneer beauty school in Singapore since 1973. I also had an opportunity to participate in beautician study tour to study cosmetology organized by the school to Japan in 2017. After graduation, I started my own home-based facial service. In order to advertise my service and create a brand, I started a Facebook site, Beauty Bloom. This is my Facebook page. I provided skincare services. I have a listing of my services and promotions. I also have a facility for my customers to book online. At the same time, the school offered me a place to do my facial service. I follow the Japanese facial techniques using Japanese skin product imported from Japan. My facial service comes free consultation. Let me demonstrate how the facial service is conducted. Actually, my philosophy is invest in your skin, it's going to represent you for a very long time. Normally, these are the procedures that I do. Remove my makeup if any, cleanse the face, use beauty apparatus to electro-cleanse and electro-massage to soften the skin. Use steam, then massage, after that face mask. You can see the screen, the before and after. This is the outcome. For facial procedure, these are the products that I use. Deep facial masks with vitamin C and aloe vera. Relax and condition your skin, allowing for moisturizing firm skin. The second one, Estepia wrinkle mask, moisturizes, tightens, and retain elasticity to dry wrinkled skin. Third one, deep Doro pack, leading to tighten and brighten skin. At the same time, it's good for anti-aging. Almond Candy is a beauty soap with softening almond oil. Thoroughly removes dirt from your pores. Actually, now we are going through the COVID situation. Everybody must wear the mask for a prolonged time. Some people, they are allergic to the mask. It will get some mask acne on this in the chin area. Actually, it will remove, the soap will remove that. Whereas the following are the skin products used for a daily skin routine: skin whitening product, pigmentation product, anti-aging product, eye care, and organic product for dehydrated skin. As you know now that we are in the midst of pandemic, which has impacted the beauty and the wellness industry. In this circumstance, the growth of my business will depends on how far I can reach a new customers and selling my product by creating the awareness in the digital space. I'm looking forward to more support and advice for the growth of my entrepreneurship. I would like to thank once again for the entire GEG team for offering me this platform to introduce myself and my dream call. Thank you. Back to you, Mr. Rahul.
Thank you very much. We like the idea. And those products are your own products, means like almond candy and all those things?
Yeah, that one is not my own product. It's my product lab. We are imported from Japan.
Okay. So that looks something very precious. So any thoughts by any other participants? Any questions?
What is your unique proposition? Because there are so many beauty conscious things available. So what is your unique proposition model for the customers?
Actually, for ours is consultation is free. And at the same time, we are using the technique is very important. Some people, they use the chemical products and all this, but our product is plant-based one. So we give the massage around 20 to 25 minutes for the face. And after that, we use the massager to massage the face. That is not actually different from the other places. At the same time, ours is the reasonable price also.
So you are having any membership or annual subscription or anything for the?
Not at the moment. I'm planning to do it.
Because that is the way you can retain the customers with
yeah, sure.
Any introductory massages or any therapies or any facial solutions or any condition.
Yeah, we give promotions. It depends on the situation. Yeah. We are giving promotions.
Customers may retain, and then you can propose something like introduction for the new customers. Maybe some kind of values if they are coming together with one buddy groups like that, 1+1.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I give that kind of promotions normally.
So that kind of value you can propose to the existing customer. They may be very happy and they can able to bring more people along with their friends network or relatives or any other customers they want to bring into the.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so we will discuss about that. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Mr. Dr. Ram.
Aditya sir, Colonel Aditya. So we are like Colonel Aditya and me is like a family, and he's my mentor, my accountability partner, and everything. But it's better he explain himself about he, and he newly started something, so he will inform about that to everyone. Yeah.
Thank you, Rahul. It is good to be together again with you, Dr. Ram, Dr. Halima, and Dr. Shalu, who each one of you is my accountability partner for the over 6 months now. And for the information of the rest of the participants, I'm Colonel Aditya Singhal. I'm a Army veteran with 33 years of experience in variety of operational roles and leadership roles in the Army. I retired in September last year among the COVID pandemic when we were all struggling with it. And so I decided to develop a new career, or the as we call in the Army, as a second innings, to participate in the development of the society and give our necessary experience and whatever we had learned in the Army, especially related to leadership training and development roles. And my focus is the youth. So I'm a career coach and mentor for the youth who want to select the right career for themselves, especially in the age bracket of 10th, 11th, 12th, because this is the main section of the youth who are most confused and who do not get access to the correct advice when it comes to selection of subjects in 11th, and also when they have to select a right career even after finishing the 12th board. And we have seen the effect, especially in this year, wherein the 10th and 12th board were cancelled. So there's a total, I would say, confusion in the minds of the youngster. Even the parents are also at loss as to what to do. So that was my primary focus, to help these young boys and girls. In addition, I'm also coaching and advising the youngsters who want to join the armed forces in preparing and face-to-face and is the SSB interview. And that is my second mission. The third mission is I have recently become a Arfin Khan certified life coach. And so now I am into transforming lives by empowering those who need to find their inner being and also achieve their goals in terms of whether it is professional, career, relationship, or health, and any other field they want to. So this is what I have just started. So I have been in this field for about 6 months, and in the meanwhile, I have also joined a variety of organizations. I am a co-host of Happy Neighborhood Project India, wherein our aim is to spread happiness not only within our country, but also provide a platform for people from various walks of life to network with each other and find contacts, and also promote their own specialization or their own individual ventures. So I feel Ms. Haji Suresh, you will find that platform very useful for you too, and also all those who are present in this environment. I will be sharing my contact details and other thing with Dr. Halima, and also with all of you if you need. And I'm looking forward to make a difference in the society by this venture of mine. Thank you for giving me opportunity to be part of this esteemed group. Thank you, Dora. Thank you, Rahul.
Great, Colonel Aditya. Your portfolio is increasing day by day. Initially, we were knowing you for a few things. Now it is like you are a life coach. Obviously, you are HNP main man, big man for HNP India, and lots of things. So great to have you here. And please share your details about like how to join, means like HNP, because that is useful for not only Mrs. Haji, but also Sonali ma'am and lot of others, even Romal. So everyone, like everyone please share their details about like maybe LinkedIn contact or something here in chat so that we can connect with each other. So that is one of our agenda. And apart from listening and guiding about business. So with that, I will invite Mrs. Sonali ma'am to.
Mr. Rahul, before we invite the next speaker, as we all know that we have assembled under the platform of Entrepreneurs Guild. So my question to all these young people is that this word, the entrepreneur, is from which language? The first person is going to get award from me. Quickly write in the chat box. The first person to give the right answer is going to get an award.
Can you please repeat the question so that?
The question is, the word entrepreneur is from which language?
Oh, so okay. Dr. Ram, as usual, got the. Okay, that's great.
So, but it was for
Mobile
the
dictionary.
Are you sure it is Greek? But because my answer is something else. Anyway, we'll get back to you. What is whether it is Greek or it is something else?
So we can discuss here.
Is it Mandarin? Is it Mandarin?
Yes, Suresh is saying it's French. Yes.
Yes.
It's French.
Right.
Oh yeah, who is Suresh?
Yes, I'm Haji Suresh.
Oh, yeah, okay. Just now you have given the presentation. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, now Ms. Sonali, you can.
I was not knowing. Okay, Mrs. Sonali, you can now introduce yourself and about your business idea.
Okay. Rahul, is it possible for me to share the screen because I guess it is disabled?
Okay, definitely. Dr. Halima, can you make her co-host?
She can.
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. This is Sonali Srivastava. I'm the founder of Peace Career Consulting. I am based out of Pune. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Global Entrepreneur Guild and especially Mr. Rahul Patki for inviting me. So basically, I started my journey as a career coach 6 months back. And before that, I pursued my certification in career counseling from UCLA Extension. And I did my gold certification from Univerity Singapore. And I am certified as a super counselor. So prior to this, I have 20 years of corporate experience into banking, 14 into banking and 6 into information technology. And I have been into operations. So basically, how this idea of career counseling clicked in my mind is, in both the industries, wherever I work, banking or information technology, I have seen there is a lot of mismatch between the interest, aptitude, skills, and the job which they are which the people are performing. That is a big mismatch, maybe because of parental pressure or peer pressure, or students end up choosing incorrect careers in their life, and they become dissatisfied after only a short span, and they keep on hopping their careers. So this was my basic idea, and that is how I started pursuing my certification last year. But then immediately after that, pandemic started. So I started practicing from January. Though initially I could get a good start in this through, basically it is happening only through word of mouth as of now. Now the challenge is to get new students, which is, I think I'm still struggling with, maybe a marketing kind of thing, digital marketing, because my idea was to approach different schools wherein there are no counselors and the students are left on their own, especially with the ICSE students, wherein the stream selection happens at 9th grade. And the students have to give the consent to the school by 8 when they are in the 8th standard. So they are too small to understand what are the subjects and what are the career choices related to those subjects. So even I have struggled for my daughter. Now she's in 10th grade, but in 8th standard, she was like, she was directionless. What does economics means? What does maths, science? What are the career options? So So it is a struggle for these specific students. So I guide students from 8th to 12th grade. And along with this, my mission is to coach the underprivileged students also. So my objective was to reach these government schools, wherein I could cater to specific students who are bright, but they are directionless and they end up taking all the labor kind of jobs which their parents are pursuing. And my other mission is, since I've been into banking, financial literacy for females, which is not my profession, but I do it out of because I have seen females struggling to settle their finances, especially in case of death of the male members in the family, and they're unaware of whatever is available. So I have been doing webinars nowadays associated with few NGOs for women empowerment. And basically these were my things. And as far as the career consultancy goes, I am equipped with psychometric test for stream selection, ideal career test, personality type, engineering branch selector, commerce branch selector. I have my own website, and I guide students on India and abroad colleges. And especially in case of abroad colleges, it's a tedious process wherein students have to prepare essays, statement of purpose, letter of recommendation. Profile building plays a very important role in case of abroad admissions. And then I do provide internships for skill development of students. And the website is equipped with a lot of research tools where a student, once they log in, they have an access to all the research tools. They can do research on their own, and then they can come up to me. And I do online and offline counseling as of now. So because of pandemic, I think most of the counseling is happening on Zoom. So my plan is, once the schools goes into offline mode, obviously I'll be approaching the management, because in this last 6 months, I have tried approaching the schools, but then the schools are like, there's no one in the office, there's no one to speak to. So over emails or over the phones, it gets little difficult for me to go and explain what is my proposition. So I think my USP is, there are career counselors who propose to the students that these are the career options, and it is left like that. But along with the students, I counsel the parents also, get them to a consensus, because there should not be differences between parents and child, and then ultimately they end up doing what the parents want. Like engineering and medical is still a big fashion in today's world also. If the child is good at many different things, but still they don't want them to go into liberal education kind of thing, still they pressurize. Even if the child doesn't like science, maths, they want the children to do engineering or medical. So I guide them in terms of showing the right career path for the student based on their aptitude, skills, personality, so that they don't end up getting frustrated once they land up in different jobs. So career counseling for students is like looking into the present, but I have seen their future in different industries wherein they land up in incorrect career options. So that was my objective. So I think I would request all of you to suggest me how to increase or get new students, which I'm struggling for as of now. Word of mouth is working fine, but it is not up to the mark. Thank you.
Definitely, you will get guidance. But before that, congratulations for this beautifulness. Just two slides, you explained everything. And your initiative, you are doing a lot of things basically. And you will get some connection here only on this platform in now. Colonel Aditya is in career counseling. Especially his specialization is towards army related or civil services related counseling or admissions or whatever career students wants to do. Apart from that, Mr. Romel is also here. He is into creating video CVs.
Oh,
so
yes, thank you.
Which is related to you, and you can definitely connect with him. So yes, you can see there are some connections here only, and you will definitely get some answers from us also regarding how to go ahead. So any thoughts from any other people, even Romel, you can come in and tell us.
As far as her desire to help the underprivileged children is there, that can be immediately fulfilled, because we have lots of underprivileged children with us whom we are whom we are molding and whom we are giving them digital empowerment, literacy. Dr. Ram is also at times addressing them, giving them some skills. So these type of children you will get whenever you require. And if you want to do any sessions with them, we can arrange immediately.
Yeah, I would love to do that. That is a part of my mission.
Okay, thank you.
And
That-
ma'am, if I could also introduce myself, my name is Romel, and I've actually created a platform which is helping people make video series. And last month, I also worked with an NGO from Maharashtra that helps with underprivileged students to make their virtual CV. And yes, last week I was working with IMS College. I have 60 students from them. I'm coaching them how to do the video resume. So what happened with video resume is people are actually able to go beyond the limitation of certificate, education, background, and they make 1 minute powerful video, talk about their passion, talk about their skills, and they're able to do get a job virtually quite faster. I'm getting good results. And I'm also working with a lot of career coach actually, where I'm working as a B2B where they help to, make the virtual CV for the people. So definitely we could have some detailed discussion on this. My platform is made for career coaches.
Thank you so much. So good to
Sure.
connect
Very
with you
wonderful
all.
work you're doing.
Actually, we can all collaborate together.
Yes,
Sure,
yes.
sure.
Yeah,
I would
that's what
love
I
to
was
do that.
thinking.
Yeah.
So Rahul, before you go for the next presentation, as you are very eager to announce the enthusiastic participant, I can see here with her phone. Just let me see that how serious they are for wealth making. How many of you want to make wealth? Do you want to create wealth? Yes, I can see Romel's hand first. So please
Yes.
just complete this and you will create lots of wealth. Romel, will you try?
Yeah, for sure. Entrepreneur are economic agents transform.
What is below
Okay,
one?
you fill in the blanks, yeah?
Yeah.
So entrepreneurs are economic agents who transform risk or how do you say challenges into opportunities, and they transform how do you say needs into services and products that lead into transformation or how do you say solving problems, something like that.
Okay.
Is that in the same vicinity what you were looking?
I think you are very close in the last three, but 1 and 2 is the most important and you are not
Okay.
close to them. So that you have to see that where are you in these two. Anyone else would like to try before we go, before we disclose?
Who transform knowledge into expertise.
Okay, transform knowledge into expertise. This is Aditya Ji's.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let me disclose. One is for, the first thing is, now you can
Supply.
give the second one.
Supply.
Demand into supply. Yes. Aditya.
Right.
This is the first thing, transform demand into supply. And they transform resources into useful goods
Useful
and
goods.
services. That leads to creation of wealth and industrial growth. That's right. Okay, yes, Rahul, you can announce for the next.
So any suggestion to Mrs. Sonali, means like about her concern about reaching more people? Sorry, there is some disturbance.
Myself, I can provide some ideas. Actually, you have to make yourself fit into the ecosystem. When you are targeting the students, better you have to move along with some kind of competitors as your joint ventures or collaborators. If you are feeling the tutorial centers who are providing the extracurricular or some kind of add-on values, you can join partner with them. So where you can play together with a non-conflict way, because their things are curricular oriented, but you are going to add on value with them. The same way you can approach to the Ministry of Education where you can able to get the prior approval after having certain kind of application form or some other things. So you can get penetrate into the school ecosystem, because the schools are getting directed by the Ministry of Education. So the HM or any other teachers can recommend you to come and participate with this kind of value addition for the students. These two are very important. The third one is you have to find the partners here, maybe like Colonel Aditya Singh, Aditya Singhal, or Dr. Halima, Madam Nahu. Everybody have their own network along with the teachers, students ecosystem. So it would be giving more support. Even myself, Rahul, Dr. Shalu also there, Mr. Vadivelu also here. So you can able to find out the people who can able to connect with you, the workable model, can able to hand holding together joint venturing projects to lead further. So yourself, you are having certain expertise on your ground value, so which are going to add on value for other people who may able to bring your values together along with their portfolio. That aspects you can think. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So
Actually, my next speaker still is in another call. I can't reach him for the last 30 minutes. Maybe if Suvena is available here, not yet.
Anna couldn't join. She's somewhere stuck in some other meeting.
Yeah. Otherwise, I can ask Mr. Karthi. He can mention about Dr. Vinoba's business, because he is very good friend of him. Karthi, are you there? You can unmute.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes, yes.
yes.
Okay. My name is Karthik. Actually,
You can
I
start
was from
your video.
okay. My name is Karthik. Actually, I'm from property management area. Currently, I'm in India right now. My friend actually is doing Dr. Vinoba is doing education coaching classes for TRB, TNPC, and other government examinations. And also he's doing some other marketing, educational marketing for universities and colleges. Actually, I have discussed about him, but I don't know why I think he's busy today. Maybe I'll try to call him on. Hello, sir.
I shared his slide.
Hello.
Maybe you can explain that. It would
I think some network issue is there.
So can you see the slides now?
Yes.
Yeah, Karthi, now you can speak about it.
Yeah. Dr. Vinoba is running this Golden Academy since 2015. He is handling all kind of these government examinations training, and also university students, some assistance for university students preparing for exam. He is also working for some private colleges. And also he's doing some research for bioinformatics students. And currently he's looking for some other, like a retail business for working with him to So having my own agriculture farms, producing coconuts and rice. Other than that, I is looking for future opportunities in teaching, research, and other training related to education. So that's all.
Thank you,
Hello.
Karthik, for
Okay.
contributing.
Okay.
Even Dr. Vinova
Okay.
is unable to join. I don't know.
Yeah.
Stuck with him. He was.
So some network issues. That's why I am unable to.
Yeah, some network issue with your side.
Yes, that was quite visible. It was,
Yeah.
issue was there.
So the slides can inform the people. They are bioinformaticians. Dr. Vinova, earlier he was working as a professor in a private college. Now he started his own venture through this training and coaching, mentoring the people for their education field. Is there anybody who wanted to connect? I can arrange it together with them. Any other thing we can discuss? I just want to make the people to introduce Mr. Vadivelu. You can introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Vadivelu. People call me as Velu. I'm from Singapore. My profession is construction contracts administration and management, and I'm in Singapore for past 22 years. So I started my career as a quantity surveyor, and I moved on to all this area. And I now I was training in the institutional and the also the in-house training for past 12 years. And I do create, I'm actor trainer as well as the assessor, and also do create the models and train the things. That's one of my profession. The other one is I'm doing the consultancy. I'm having my own concern company, and which I give my company website details in the chat box. It's called ASN Group. Then there we have the three verticals. One is contracts and commercial consultancy works. I do the consultants for the Singapore company and also the Vietnam and overseas company. Because for me is contracts and the contracts management, contracts administration for applicable for all type of the field, including the construction, IT, whatever the sector into that. So that's what I'm doing. As well as my another vertical is the training, which I already told you. My third vertical is the trading, international trading, which is the one is also important export of the things. So these are the three verticals we are working on currently. I know Mr. Ram long back, and thanks for thanks Ram for introducing to this group.
Thank you for
I really appreciate it.
today.
Thank you.
Next, Madam Vimala, are you there?
Madam Vimala is always in the news.
Very busy lady. Yeah. Yes, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Dr. Halima and Dr. Ram, to introduce to this forum and all. I'm really very happy to see you all. Okay, I'm Vimla Dindayalan from India, Chennai. I'm a journalist and also a social activist. And my writings are mainly focused on the women empowerment. For that sake, I'm running one NGO called REGROW. It's Renaissance and Growth of Women. The name itself, it spells a lot for you all, I think. And one consultancy firm I'm running. With that, I'm doing many consultancy works like HR consultancy, auditing, the education consultancy, everything I'm doing. Mainly my work is, about this undertaking the government projects I'm doing. At present also I'm undertake one state government project also. And very happy to see you again, Dr. Halima and Dr. Ram. Thank you.
So next visitor, Mr. Altaf Gado.
Not it is audible.
Are you there, Altaf?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please 30 seconds introduction.
I'm actually from Kashmir, Altaf Sen Garu. I'm working as a principal government degree college, and at the same time I am running a high school from last, which I have established in 2000. And now I am going to start a new school from this year, which I have planned to affiliate with the international this IB board. And at the same time, I am dealing with the manufacturing of the organic fertilizers. And previously I was a shareholder of a company. Now from this year I am going to start my own company. That is the short introduction which I can share here.
Thank you for your schools. We have very good programs. We have international training for the teachers with the name of film. And that is very, very beneficial for them. You can contact us anytime, whenever you feel. This is film on the screen I am sharing. Here we provide the training for 9 hours to the teachers in 6 days. And this is very comprehensive to develop their emotional leadership skills for the future education. And then we have another training also for the digital empowerment. Then we have another for the public speaking. So I think these things are going to be beneficial for your school.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
We had been together in this Muradabad from few years back.
Oh, so I think Altaf, you were supposed to be with me in my previous session. That was for the education.
No, today I was not in that session. I am from Anantnag, and I know you very well. Okay. So I will contact you, inshallah.
Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.
Altaf, my work location is Baramulla, right? I am from Pune. I am in Pune right now, but my work location is Kashmir, Baramulla. So we can connect.
Okay. I am in South, Baramulla is in North.
Yeah. Okay. So we can connect definitely.
Definitely.
Is it quiz time?
After the visitors introduction, then we can introduce the organizers, Dr. Halima, Rahul, and a few more people they joined. There is one more person, Sasi Kumar. Can you unmute and introduce yourself?
Shashi Kumar ji.
Okay. Mr. Jabaka.
Good evening, sir. Yeah, good evening, sir. Thank you very much for giving a chance here. I would like to introduce myself that I am a freelancer. I am doing connecting sellers and buyers and the people who are coming to do any government business in the sector of electrical, energy, water sector. I am doing the connection work. I am a retired employee from DIVA, Government of Dubai. I'm presently doing this job. Anybody in the field from Singapore, they would like to connect to government sector. I am ready to cooperate. I am ready to give my cooperation and guidelines to them. Thank you.
Please share your phone number in the chat box. Please share your phone number.
Yes, please. Yes, please. I will share your phone.
He will share. Next to that, Ms.
Thank you.
Remalada.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Remalada, please unmute.
Could you hear?
Yes.
Me, sir?
Yeah, we can hear.
Could you hear me? Thank you. Thank you. I'm Premlata. I'm Premlata from Global Shipping Services. I'm running a shipping company in Chennai. It's an international shipping company. Apart from shipping company, I'm running a trading company. I need to get the support from the overseas people who are the buyers from India. It's a great support to both shipping as well as for trading. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for coming. Mr. Romal. Yes, please unmute and introduce.
Yes, hi. So don't mind my light today. I'm a little bit on a makeshift as my partner is doing another Zoom meeting. So I'm just getting everything sorted.
We can
So
see
I'll
you.
just give, you can see me. There is some light on me.
Yes.
Great. So, thanks for giving me the chance to introduce myself. My name is Romel Chadwa, and I've created a platform which is helping people make video resumes. It's an automated platform. It's one of the first ones in the country and one of the premier ones in the world. So it's not only making a video resume, but it's also making the whole CV like a web page, and it gets published in your own domain name. And it's completely intuitive. It took me more than 2 years to develop this platform. The whole algorithm is very unique. And my ask for today is that I'm looking to get in touch with investors to really penetrate the market, because CV is something everyone needs. The market potential is so huge, and to crack any new technology in the market, I need someone to support me. There's crores of just 2 crore people every year graduate as first-time CV makers. So just a small idea, and this is actually a global product, not restricted to India. Actually, I don't know if this is the right moment or later. I have one small presentation I've made for investors, which I would like you guys to maybe give an opinion, some feedback. Is that possible to share right now?
Yes, for sure.
Oh, that'd be wonderful.
It depends on the length, Rahul. How long is the presentation?
It's about 3 minutes.
Okay, then it's fine.
It's just a video, so it will just play itself. So if you can allow me to share the screen.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, okay. Oh. Right. Just give me a moment. Oh, it's actually playing here. I shared the wrong part. Yeah.
In my office, I would like to hire new staff. But each time I post a job. Hello, my name is Romel, and I'm an entrepreneur just like you.
I see your video.
In my office, I would like to hire new staff.
First play the video.
Sorry?
Then share. First play the video, then share the screen.
Yeah. You are able to see my doodly screen, right? Or it's not visible?
No.
We are only watching
okay.
the screen of link.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I shared the other screen. That's what I'm thinking. Why there's okay. Now you can see a doodly screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Perfect.
Hello, my name is Romel, and I'm an entrepreneur just like you. In my office, I would like to hire new staff. But each time I post a job, I get hundreds of responses, which overwhelms me. Checking all of them is so time-taking. Is there no better way of hiring without having to sit and read through so much?
I need a job urgently. Looking for my dream job. I found an interesting job. I will start filling in my job application. But hundreds of people just like me will be applying for the same job. How am I going to get noticed? Piles and piles of paper with the HR. How can I show my personality and my confidence? I need some other way.
Welcome to My Virtual CV, a CV that makes you stand out from the crowd. No one wants to read paper anymore. People are looking for a video and a website. This is what a virtual CV looks like. It's graphic and it's dynamic. Welcome to My Virtual CV. It has many features to help you. Let's look at the 3 major features. Understanding the need for a website, My Virtual CV allows the job seeker to put the CV in a link. Video being the most preferred media, you can now put a video in your CV. 83% of the jobs are being searched on the mobile. So your CV needs to be mobile responsive and easy to share. Job seekers are loving this. Plus, there are 60 more features that help them to stand out from the crowd. At the same time, all the employers are preferring this as well, as it saves them 80% of their processing time. The video gives a clear picture about the candidate's personality and ability. My Virtual CV is a revolutionary technology, like how we shifted from the pager technology to the mobile technology. Are you ready to create a revolution? Let's go. My Virtual CV allows you to create an easy do-it-for-yourself virtual CV. At the same time, a complete done-for-you CV service is also available for premium professionals. We have a team of 15 professionals to create and cater to all your needs. My Virtual CV has been registered as a private limited company and is ready to invite investing partners. Let's face it, video is the future of every industry. So even for the CV making industry, video holds great potential. Let's look at the market potential. In India itself, we have more than 11 crore CV holders at the moment. And in the world, we have more than 165 crore CV holders. Plus, 2 crores first-time CV makers graduate every year in India. We invite you to become part of this growth story, which has an evergreen business model. We have a first mover's advantage in India, as well as we are one of the premier services in the world. The recruitment industry is going completely virtual. Having a virtual CV will become compulsory for everyone. Our business model is ready, our sales funnels are ready, and our target audience is identified. Let's get in touch to understand all these details so we can go on a video call and give you a short presentation about the future of My Virtual CV. You can visit our website to know more. At the same time, you could check out my own virtual CV for my contact details and to know more about me. Looking for a financial incubation partner who can lead us and put us on the global chart. Is that you? Let's explore. See you soon. Thank you.
So, yes, great, amazing things. As per the digital transformation, everybody must need to have their virtual CV with them. Whether it is not only for the freshers, also for the professionals in the middle level, as well as the senior level like Colonel and myself. Great.
Actually, sir, last week, IMS College approached me, and they have now put video resume as part of their curriculum as a compulsory part. So we all understand where virtual resume could go. So if you guys can connect me to someone really serious who can understand this opportunity, we have a first mover's advantage. So thank you for allowing me to share this.
Yeah. We will discuss about that because in Singapore, it is also the recruitment process, everything digitally operated. There is no human intervention, manual intervention.
Exactly.
So they wanted to, because they are receiving a number of CV, like few 100,000.
Yeah, it's not possible to read so much.
Yeah, it is not possible.
And it's an evergreen industry. Yeah.
Any other people who want to interact with Mr. Roman?
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much. If not more than that, I just wanted to make our team, Dr. Halima, Madam Nagu, Dr. Shalu, and Rahul. We can introduce ourselves. First, myself, I'm Dr. Ram. Myself, I am the president for GED. We are looking for more opportunity with our team members here, as I mentioned. Each one had their own roles and response towards the Global Entrepreneurs Guild. We are planning to launch as soon as possible. We are tailor making for all the background activities and looking forward to launch it very soon. And these are all the things we want to connect with the community. So we are going on our pathway, take the journey as well as the responsibility, how to bring the people, how to leverage our services through the products or connectivity, what we are seeing here, five eminent people. It's all together we can create the wonders and the capability building for the entrepreneurs who can able to connect and contribute well for the globalization environment. I would like to pass on to Madam Nahu. Please introduce yourself. You can unmute.
No, we need to. Yeah. Now maybe you can talk. No, yeah.
Yeah, your voice is not audible. You can increase your volume. Yes. It's not audible. Are you using any headset? No, you are not audible. Okay, just you check. Maybe we can move on to the other people and come back. Yeah. Dr. Halima. Dr. Halima, please unmute and introduce. She's not there. Okay, Dr. Shalu.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Ram. Good evening to everyone. I'm Dr. Shalu Sehgal. I'm working as an associate professor in one of the management college in Himachal Pradesh. I'm teaching management students. So as if anyone from this panel and anybody else who is there, they need or they are waiting for the help, so I'm all time available for this GLID. And yes, I'm a YouTuber also. We have started promoting and sending our messages to everyone who wants to learn about the digital world. So we are there, like with the association of Dr. Halima and Dr. Ram. So that's a small introduction from my side.
Yeah, you can mention about your YouTuber.
Yeah. Okay, so I run channel where I actually narrate stories for from my experience from college and from my life, from surroundings, to convey some messages to the society related to moral values, ethics, about what we can learn from our world. So everything is there in my stories. If you love to come, do search me on Shal's Corner. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Ram.
Dr. Shalu, it's good if you can share the any video or the your channel link.
Oh, thank you. Definitely, Rahul. Thank you. And yes, I forgot to mention my guru and mentor is there, Aditya sir. Pranam. Yes, sir.
Mr. Rahul.
Okay. Hello. Good evening, all. I am Rahul Patki. I'm basically engineer by profession and trainer by heart. I spent 15 years in the automotive industry doing design engineering, means like I spent like tool design and all those things. Played with robots, some advanced machineries and all those things. But recently I realized that connecting with people is more of my thing. Connecting with people, talking to them, learning from them. And I'm learner more now than my any stage of my life. Means like even in engineering I was not so much of learner, otherwise there might be some different Rahul might be there. But anyways, I'm not regretting anything. I'm good with where I am. I'm very good, and I have very good company like this platform. There are some other platforms, and that's the thing about me. And this is like through that means like that inner thing of me or inner calling. We all connected here, Dr. Ram, Dr. Halima, Mrs. Nagu, Dr. Shalu, and we came up with this platform called Global Entrepreneur Skills. We are developing it, and we are trying to help entrepreneurs actually in practical, just not connections, some like actual help where they can grow their businesses. And yes, we are working on that. And apart from that, even I personally building my brand called Grow Reach, where I'm working on that. And I'm like, in that I will, I'm doing two things. First thing is helping people find their purpose, working towards purpose. And second thing is like, obviously Grow Reach is about money, and money is one of the important thing. Means like you, no one can deny that. With that, we can explore a lot of things. So yes, basics of personal finance. I'm planning to help about those areas. So yes, that's about me, Rahul Patki here, and thanks for coming here and joining us.
Thank you so much. Really, you are the backbone supporter for us in the technology ground. Next to Madam Nagu. Still, your voice not audible. Maybe you check the connection whether it is firmly fixed.
Try without headphone, maybe.
No, earlier she tried without headphone. Now
Okay.
I think maybe if I can say something, maybe Nagu ma'am, maybe in the beginning when you joined this session, you didn't join the connect some audio, like sometimes
audio with the device.
There. Okay, you
Maybe
connected. Maybe then there's internal problem.
you can log out and
Yes, there is some technical problem, no doubt.
maybe you can log out and join again.
So
Is there Dr. Halima is there? Dr. Halima?
I don't think so. I think
she's
planning to leave early.
Oh, okay. So just we wait for Madam Nagu to come back. Anybody wanted to give you?
I'm back.
Okay. Yeah, waiting for you.
So I will be introducing myself, or I have to do the quiz?
Yes, you can introduce yourself.
In fact, I was cooking biryani,
Okay.
I came back.
Send by courier one parcel.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Today send, tomorrow only come. Today send, tomorrow only come.
If you answer the quiz, you'll get biryani.
Then that's a stale stuff.
Yeah.
Rahul has to make me co-host. Then only I can share anything.
You want to cook.
Rahul, Nagu ma'am is saying to unmute her.
Okay.
Okay, so Nagu ma'am, you are co-host. You can do whatever you like. So, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Such a lovely DP.
Who is he?
Such a lovely DP, somebody said about Dr. Halima.
Yeah, Dr. Halima's. My goodness.
Where is the DP?
Yeah, DP, you are looking stunning.
Thank you very much. Who is he on the screen? You have to recognize this gentleman.
Rahul Bajaj.
Rahul must be knowing because similar name. Yes, you are right.
Yes. Yes, everyone knows him. Narayan Murthy.
Narayan Murthy.
JRD Tata.
Tata. Ratan Tata.
Not Ratan, JRD Tata. Yes. Dhirubhai Ambani.
Ambani, Mukesh Ambani.
And this is Mittal.
Sorry.
Now, who is the next? My question is, the quiz is now.
Vimla Deeyalan.
Yes. Vimla ma'am, you are the winner.
I always think positively. What may come, what may go.
We are searching who will be the next.
Yes, you will.
Thank you. I'll take it as a blessings and compliments from you both.
So guys, I am a educationist and I have 28 years of experience in the field of education, working as teacher, as headmistress, as vice principal, as principal. So why I don't tell anybody as I am a principal, because the people when they come to know that I'm a principal, they start laughing in front of me, that I don't like. So this is the least introduction of me that I usually prefer. And
such a honorable post it is.
Thank you very much. Thank you. In fact, you will not believe, I was meeting one gentleman, like one family in Taiwan. There was some like my son's marriage or some issue was there, like related to that. So we were introducing to each other. The moment they asked me, okay, what does mama do? Then they said, she's a principal. Oh, one step behind everybody went. Principal means discipline, means so strict. You know, it is like that the people have made this notion in their minds. But I am not like that, because I am the one who always thinks out of the box. So I have changed the concept of the principal. I am very loving and caring and always laughing, smiling and cheerful in front of the children as well. And I run a channel with the name of Jahaneman, that is educational channel. Every day at 6 o'clock, we are live with the programs for all the section of society, for the teachers, for the children, for the book lovers, for the parents. So this is Jahaneman. And then I, along with Dr. Ram, have been many training programs, and along with Shalu and 2 more members are there. So we conduct teachers training programs. We conduct lots of courses for the students. And my hobby is to help the people, and I find real happiness in that. And for educational awareness, I conduct caravans. So we go in
and encourage the people by giving awards.
Yes.
That too added.
Yes.
Along with Dr. Ram.
Yeah, thank you very much. This is my simple introduction. And whenever you whenever you need any help from me or any support, or only just for chit chat you need me, I'm always available for you. Thank you very much.
Biryani, please. One parcel.
Yes, you are deserving candidate for that.
Because you told me that, you told us that at any time we can ask any help. So now I would like to taste your biryani.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Madam Nagu, are you okay? Your connection is okay? We can't hear. Something happened with your system, or you are not audible. Rahul, do you have any tips for Madam Nagu to?
I think she should need to rejoin the Zoom meeting, but I think that's.
She already logged out and joined.
She did that. Yeah. But Nagu ma'am, you can, I think you have already shared your details in the beginning, if I'm not wrong. So you can paste that the same. I think that will be like, because otherwise there is some audio glitch. But
Okay. So with that,
yeah, we can conclude the meeting. Any future proposals or anything, please share. And,
okay, with that, anyone wants to share something or some like request, some like help near required, something like that, you can like come forward and talk about that. And Mr. Altaf, I will get your details from either Dr. Halima, or you can directly mention those into the chat box so that I can talk to you.
I have mentioned, I have written already to you.
Okay, I will check that.
Please announce the next meeting date, and then we can wind up. Next meeting date would be
after next Monday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 5th of July.
5th of July. Okay.
5th of July is the next meeting. Everybody is invited.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And thanks all for joining here.
Thank you.
And stay in touch. We will definitely do some like big things here.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Yesterday was Father's Day. So fathers, don't be happy because all other days are Mother's Day. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Fathers are there, mothers are every day.
Nice.
Father's Day. So both the people celebrate each day.